Okay, today we're going to go over the installation of the new style spring mount onto the low profile heavy duty GrassFlap. This new style spring mount is designed with a large diameter hole and a small diameter hole. And compared to the old style GrassFlap, it used to arrive this way, so that you had the flap assembly and the spring mount was attached to the GrassFlap itself, and you had to loosen this nut and take this bolt out and then rotate it up and reinstall it. We don't do that anymore. So this nut on the new one here does not need to be loosened. So as it comes out of the box is the way that you're going to use it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this nut. Once it's off, then we're going to take the spring assembly and we can hook this spring assembly. Again, this just slips over that nut. We're going to install this back in place. We're going to crank this just to where it's snug, not super tight, because during the rest of the installation process, we may have to change the position. Okay, so again, just slips over this nut. Do not loosen this nut, leave it tight. This keeps this pivot bolt in line where it needs to be, and simply loosen this nut, install the spring mount, and then you're ready to go to the mower.